Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find out who liked a comment on Instagram. Whether you're curious about who liked your comment or someone else's, I'll walk you through a simple way to check. Start by opening Instagram and navigating to a post with comments. Once you're on the post, tap on View All Comments to expand the comment section. Scroll down to the comment you're interested in, and next to it you'll see the number of likes. To see the list of people who liked the comment, simply tap on the number of likes. That's it. You'll be able to see everyone who has interacted with that specific comment. This works for your own comments as well as others. It's quick, easy, and useful for staying engaged on Instagram. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.